Okay, today we're here at the Los Angeles County Fair, and I went to one of the little carnival booths, and this one had Hot Cheetos Cotton Candy. So all these little, there you go, there's Cheetos, Hot Cheetos, and all those specks are the Cheeto dust too. So let's try this out here. Okay, here's some with lots of dust on it. It's actually sweet and savory. Oh yeah, you do get some heat from the Cheetos, even the dust. So there seems to be a lot of dust throughout, so you're probably not going to have much that doesn't have any dust on it. Dripping the Cheeto dust. So yeah, I'm going to give this one an A because it does bring the heat and you still get the cotton candy flavor. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite and I'll see you in the next one.